Have you ever noticed how perfectly shaped eyebrows can completely change someone's face? Feminine eyebrows can highlight your natural beauty, soften your features, and help you feel radiant and confident. And girl, you don't need a makeup artist or a big budget to achieve those stunning arches. Stick around because I'll be sharing advanced tips, techniques, and hacks to help you achieve the perfect feminine brow, no matter where you're starting from. Why feminine eyebrows matter? Let's start with why eyebrows are so important, especially for transgender women. Your eyebrows frame your face. They shape how others perceive your expressions and how you see yourself. A well-groomed brow can soften angular features, balance your proportions, and even help reduce gender dysphoria by creating a more traditionally feminine look. I read a comment on a makeup tutorial YouTube video once, and someone shared how shaping her eyebrows for the first time was life-changing. She said, "It was the first time I looked in the mirror and saw myself, the real me, looking back." That's the power of feminine eyebrows, girl. They're more than just hair. They're a way to express who you truly are. Popular eyebrow shaping techniques. There are many ways to shape your brows, but here are 3 techniques to consider. 1. Waxing. Waxing is quick, precise, and long-lasting. Warm wax is applied to unwanted hair, and a strip removes it in one go. It's great for creating clean lines, but if you're doing it at home, take it slow. Always follow instructions carefully and start with smaller areas. 2. Threading. Threading is perfect for sensitive skin and offers incredible precision. A twisted thread removes hair at the root, creating sharp, defined arches without irritation. If you've never tried threading, visiting a professional for your first session is a great idea. And 3. Plucking. Plucking with tweezers gives you total control. Use a good quality tweezer and work slowly, plucking hairs in the direction of growth. For beginners, a brow stencil can help guide your shape and prevent overplucking. Pro tip: check out T-Zone's beauty forums for tutorials and tips on mastering these techniques. Members share real-life experiences to help you get it right the first time. Finding your perfect eyebrow shape. Now, let's talk about how to find the right shape for your face. Eyebrows aren't one size fits all, so it's important to tailor them to your natural features. Here's a quick guide. Round face, high arches create the illusion of length. Square face, soft, curved brows balance strong angles. Heart-shaped face, rounded arches balance a wider forehead. Oval face, lucky you! Most shapes will suit you, so experiment to find your favorite. To ensure symmetry, use a pencil or brush as a guide. Line it up with the side of your nose to find where your brow should start. Angle it through your pupil for the arch, and align it with the outer corner of your eye for the tail. This trick works wonders, hun. Makeup tips for fuller brows. If your brows are sparse or uneven, makeup is your best friend. Here's how to create fuller, defined brows. Start by filling in gaps with an eyebrow pencil or powder that matches your natural hair color. Use light, feathery strokes for a natural effect. Brush your brows upward with a spoolie to create a fuller appearance. Use a clear or tinted brow gel to lock everything in place. Highlight under the arch with a light concealer or highlighter to lift and define your brows. For long-lasting results, some trans women opt for semi-permanent solutions like microblading. This process deposits pigment into the skin to mimic natural brow hairs, giving you fuller, more defined brows without daily upkeep. Facial hair and eyebrows. If facial hair is holding you back from achieving that flawless, feminine look, addressing it can make all the difference. Facial hair can overshadow even the best-shaped brows, but reducing it can enhance your overall features and boost your confidence. The Catch Beauty V4.1 IPL handset is a game-changer for managing facial hair. This at-home device uses IPL technology to reduce hair growth over time, helping you achieve smoother, hair-free skin. With less facial hair, your eyebrows and your entire face can shine. Use the link in the description to get up to 30% off your first order, exclusively for new customers. To help you achieve perfect brows, let's cover some common mistakes and how to avoid them. Overplucking. It's tempting, but thinning your brows too much can be hard to fix. Focus on small changes and work slowly. Ignoring symmetry. Uneven brows can throw off your look. Use tools like stencils or mapping techniques to maintain balance. Skipping maintenance. Even the best-shaped brows need upkeep. Trim long hairs and tidy up stray ones regularly. Self-care practices for healthy brows. Girl, your brows deserve love. Here's how to keep them healthy. Avoid overwaxing or plucking, as it can damage hair follicles. Use a nourishing brow serum or oil, like castor oil, to promote growth and strengthen hairs. Be gentle when applying products or removing makeup to prevent breakage. So, whether you are shaping your brows for the first time or looking to perfect your technique, I hope this guide has inspired you to take that next step. Your eyebrows are unique, and they're a beautiful expression of who you are. Embrace them, care for them, and let them frame the amazing person you're becoming. If you're ready to dive deeper into beauty tips and connect with a supportive community, join T-Zone today. For just $5 a month, you'll get access to beauty threads, live events, and expert advice tailored to trans women. And don't forget, smoother, hair-free skin is just a click away with the Catch Beauty IPL handset. Click the links in the description to join T-Zone or grab your Catch Beauty device at up to 30% off for new customers. Stay gorgeous, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, babes!